Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today I'm going to walk you through how to enable dark mode on Opera browser on your PC. Let's get started. This is the browser and now I want to enable dark mode. So what to do is that you go to settings, click on it, and then you scroll down to settings. Then next thing you'll do is you're going to look for the theme. You can see these themes. Now you can see light here, light. You can see the symbol. This is for dark. So you choose the theme that has a dark mode. Like this one, dark mode. This one is for all modes. So you choose for dark mode. Let's say I want to choose this one, but I'll have to download it first. So let me go for the one I don't know need to download. This is dark mode. You can see. So you set the activity, you decide which of these calm. This one for the color. You can see. And then you set your theme. And you've enabled dark mode. It is as simple as that. So now you can see this is it. Hope you found this video helpful.